sail. White rocky island, you and I on the trail, just us and the waves. No need to behave in the harbor of straw beds, tangerine tears, t-shirts laid out like our grief throughout the years. We say it all with bait on our lines. We rise and we fall along with the tide in the harbor of healing, all the feelings. Cedarwood hope, like a smoke in the air, glows on our skin and stays in our hair, worn out and sore. We camp on the shore of the harbor of healing, feeling all the fragile space in a single sail. White rocky eye.